Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Maha from Maha's Lebanese Cuisine. Today we are going to make the traditional, they call it qawarma, fat, beef fat, lamb fat with the meat all mixed together. But the easiest name is qawarma. This is very traditional dish. Usually in the mountains when it's cold and there is a lot of snow, they make this and they store it for the winter. They get the fat from the lamb. Here they have a lot of lamb, like the booty of the lamb. Here it's fat. So they get it and they grind it like that. It's so yummy. It's so good with eggs for breakfast, or you can make several dishes with it. So let's get started. So first step, I have here 2 kilos of the fat. So now we are going to cook the fat until it melts, and make sure to get it from the butt, the lamb butt. It smells so good. Usually this dish they used to make it when it was like there is no electricity and they have to store the meat and the fat for the winter. So because you don't have to put it in the refrigerator, you can leave it outside with no problem on the shelf. So now I'm going to cook it until all the fat is melt. Then I will put the meat in it, cook it until it's like so tender, so good, so juicy. You see, they still need maybe 10 minutes until all the fat it's like golden brown. You see the brown color that the fat is? This is the perfect color. Now I'm going to add the beef and the salt, the pepper. Now I'm going to add the salt and the black pepper. I put like 3 teaspoons salt, rock salt, and I put 2 teaspoons black pepper. Just salt and black pepper. You don't have to put any more spices with it. I'm going to try to see the salt, if it's good. If not, I will add some more, because it has to be a little salty if you want to store it for a long time. So good. Now I'm going to let it simmer maybe 15 minutes and we will be done with the qawarma. The best way to know if it's good or not, you have to try it. So you have a lemon, you have a pita, just it's too hot, so it's too hot like this. Let's see. It's hot, it's delicious, and it's done. Now I'm going to bring a jar. Usually I let them get cold a little bit and then put them in a jar and store it for the whole winter. It will stay for long because the salt is perfect. They've been cooked perfectly. Now I'm going to put them in the jar. I put that. Now I'm going to put the fat, just the fat. This is it. Now it's ready for the winter. Close it while it's hot. Make sure it's closed good. Clean it. And this is our qawarma.